Tired of slipping in the shower? Let's fix that today. Meet the Gorilla Grip Bathtub Shower Mat, your new bathroom essential. Reason 1. Unbeatable safety with hundreds of strong suction cups. These suction cups keep the mat firmly in place, no sliding around. Perfect for families, elderly, or anyone who values bathroom safety. Reason 2. It's machine washable for effortless cleaning every time. Just toss it in the wash. No scrubbing, no hassle, always fresh. Reason 3. Enjoy soft, comfortable support under your feet daily. Step out of the tub and feel the difference, gentle and cushioned. No more cold, hard tub floors, just pure comfort every shower. The mat's drain holes keep water flowing, preventing mold and mildew. It stays cleaner, longer, so your bathroom always feels inviting. The clear design blends seamlessly with any bathroom style or color. Sized at 35 by 16 inches, it covers most tubs for maximum protection. Great for busy families, seniors, or anyone wanting peace of mind. No more worrying about kids or grandparents slipping in the tub. It's also BPA-free and quick drying for safe, hygienic use. Installation is a breeze. Just press it down and you're done. The mat grips instantly, even on smooth, wet surfaces. You'll love how secure and stable it feels underfoot. No more shifting mats or dangerous bathroom accidents. It's built to last with durable materials and tough construction. Even after countless washes, it stays strong and reliable. Families, elderly, and homeowners, this mat is made for you. Keep your loved ones safe and your bathroom looking great. Don't settle for flimsy mats that slip or wear out fast. Upgrade to Gorilla Grip and experience the difference instantly. Thousands of happy customers trust Gorilla Grip for bathroom safety. Why not join them and make your bathroom safer today? It's a small investment for big peace of mind every shower. Plus, it's so easy to clean. Just toss it in the machine. No more scrubbing or worrying about soap scum buildup. The mat resists stains and stays looking new for longer. It's perfect for busy households who want convenience and safety. The soft texture feels great, even for sensitive feet. Kids will love standing on it, and so will you. No more cold shocks when stepping into the tub or shower. The mat's drainage holes keep water moving, preventing puddles. Your bathroom stays cleaner, drier, and safer every day. It's also great for pets who need a non-slip surface for baths. The clear style matches any decor, modern, classic, or colorful. It's a must-have for anyone who values safety and comfort. Ready to make your bathroom safer and more comfortable? Click the link and grab your Gorilla Grip bath mat now. Don't wait for an accident. Prevent slips before they happen. Give your family the gift of safety and peace of mind. Thousands of 5-star reviews can't be wrong. People love this mat. It's affordable, durable, and designed with your needs in mind. Order today and enjoy fast, free delivery with Amazon Prime. Unbox, unroll, get, and enjoy instant bathroom safety and comfort. Remember, safety starts with the right products in your home. Don't risk slips or falls. Choose Gorilla Grip for your family. Act now and transform your bathroom into a safer space. Click to buy and experience the Gorilla Grip difference today. Your feet and your family will thank you every single day. Stay safe, stay comfortable, and enjoy every shower with Gorilla Grip. Before it sells out again, hit that link in the description and check it out.